Hey, how do people do the floss?
Mm-hmm.
Welcome back to Life at the Logans. Welcome to our crazy, happy Jesus loving family.
What's so funny, TSM?
We ought to praise God. Let's count our blessings. I'll teach you a lesson, and yeah, we gon' praise God. Yeah. We ought to praise God. Let's count our blessings. I'll teach you a lesson, and yeah, we gon' praise God. Yeah, right here. We ought to praise God. Let's count our blessings. Let's count our lesson, and yeah, we gon' praise God. Yeah. God is good. God is good. God is good. All the time. Yeah. God is good. God is good. God is good all the time. Yeah. We gotta praise God. Let's count our blessings. I'll teach you a lesson, and yeah, we gon' praise God. Yeah.
Oh, go shut up. Go shut up.
Oh!
Oh my goodness! Shadow, I'm so sorry.
Are you his mom?
I am. Ever since I got that leash and collar, it just doesn't work. I'm so sorry.
I
Oh.
don't think he peed on you, man, but he was warm. But yeah, ain't no problem.
Yeah,
I'm Deontay, so
I'm Chastity. Yeah, nice to meet
like
you.
a chastity belt.
And just like the Chastity.
So, what's his name again?
It's Shadow.
Shadow, you know
Shadow.
what? I got a solution to your problem.
Do you what?
I do, man. I recommend something called Rywell No Pull Harness.
Rywell? I've never heard of that.
Yeah. Call my homie, you can bring it out, bring it here.
In the middle of the woods?
Man, I got this, yeah. Yeah,
In the middle of the woods.
yeah, man, this is the harness right here.
This the harness?
Yeah,
Let me
man.
see this harness.
Yep. Yeah, he said,
Nice.
Rywell.
Rywell.
Yup.
Okay.
Man,
yeah.
shoot, he said, look all this. He said it's a sturdy top, thickened handle. That's the handle right there. Man, you see that? It ain't going nowhere. It's thick.
It is thick. Like you can get a grab. Like if your dog tries to run away, you can just grab them real quick.
He said they got reflective strips, man.
I can see the deflectness. I can see it deflecting. Okay.
What's that water repellent? That's water repellent.
Water repellent. Ooh,
Yeah,
so
it's
the
water repellent fat.
Yes, that
That's
is
what I'm talking about,
nice.
2 Velcro stickers. You want to see those 2 Velcro stickers?
I do. What are the stickers?
Dude, man, they went so high tech. They got the service dog.
Oh, so if he was my service dog, I could put it right here.
Yeah, and then you got one in training.
Dog in training. Let's put the dog in training.
You want to right here?
Right here.
Boom.
Dog in training. You put that right there, and people will see that your dog is
Your
in
dog
training.
is in training. So they got a soft, breathable cushion.
Okay, I like that. That's
Yeah.
really nice.
Did you see the soft, breathable cushion?
I did.
Yeah, man. And they got adjustable strips.
Yeah.
You see the adjustable strips on it?
I did. I can adjust it to my dog size.
And you got secure buckles.
Secure buckles.
Yeah. It got instructions too. On here if you need help. I don't do this for everybody.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, I don't do this. I'm gonna give you that for free.
You can give me this for free.
I'm gonna do that.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
You nice.
And you nice.
No, you nice.
No, you're nice.
Yeah, you gonna hook them up. You gonna see what it look like on it.
I am. Let's do that.
Let's do this. Clip's so good.
Clip's right there.
See a clip right there. And then, ooh, man.
So it comes with the collar as well. And it comes with a leash. Okay? Cool. This is really nice. I mean, look at the leash. I mean, the collar. It's adjustable.
Look at it. Adjustable. It's adjustable.
So, Shadow does approve of this harness. It's a nice harness. It fits
recommend
him
it, yo.
well. You recommend it?
I recommend it, yo.
Alright, tell me how you recommend it.
I 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 recommend it.
recommends it as well. You're going to want this harness for your dog. I'm going to leave the link to buy this in the description box. It's really good quality. It's nice and thick and it's breathable and it's just, I think, all around good product. I would recommend it 100%. I mean, get this whole set. I mean, it's a 5-piece set. It's a great deal. So, let me give old boy my number real quick. We gonna head out. So here, let me tell you my number.
Alright, you do that.
Alright guys, don't forget to hit that, what are you doing? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Turn on that bell, you don't want to miss us. Don't forget to hit that like button. Share us out. See you next time.
Girl, don't you dare.